Babur, Zahir-ud-Din Muhammad Babur, 14th of February 1483 to 26th of December 1530, was the founder of the Mughal Empire and a significant figure in Indian history. He laid the foundation of Mughal rule in India, which went on to influence the country's political and cultural landscape for centuries. Early life: Babur was born on the 14th of February 1483 in Andijan, located in present-day Uzbekistan. His father was Umar Sheikh Mirza, the Emir of Ferghana, and his mother was Kutluk Nigar Khanum. At the age of 11, following the death of his father, Babur ascended the throne of Ferghana. However, his rule faced challenges due to internal family disputes and political opposition. Conquest of Samarkand. In 1497, Babur successfully captured Samarkand, although he lost control of his own kingdom during the process. Foundation of the Mughal Empire. Entry into India. Influenced by Persian culture and inspired by the legacy of his ancestors, Genghis Khan and Timur, Babur aspired to establish his rule in India. First Battle of Panipat, 1526. In 1526, Babur defeated Ibrahim Lodi in the First Battle of Panipat, laying the foundation for Mughal rule in Delhi. His innovative military strategies and effective use of artillery played a decisive role in this victory. Battle of Kanwa, 1527. By defeating the Rajput forces led by Rana Sanga, Babur further consolidated and strengthened his empire. Battle of Gagra, 1529. This victory reinforced Babur's dominance over northern India and secured his position as a powerful ruler. Culture and legacy. Baburnama. Babur's autobiography, Baburnama, is regarded as one of the world's great historical works. It provides valuable insights into his life, political strategies, and cultural observations. Introduction of gunpowder warfare. Babur popularized the use of gunpowder weapons and artillery in Indian warfare, bringing significant changes to military tactics and battlefield strategies. Promotion of Persian culture. He contributed to the spread of Persian culture, art, and garden architecture in India, leaving a lasting cultural influence. Death and legacy. Babur died on December 26, 1530. His successors continued to rule India for generations, expanding the Mughal Empire and securing its place as one of the most influential dynasties in Indian history. Major events. First Battle of Panipat, 1526, Battle of Kanwa, 1527, Battle of Gagra, 1529. The Mughal Empire founded by Babur influenced India for nearly 3 centuries and left a profound impact on the country's history, culture, and governance.